Hello and welcome to Design Guy. Ever wondered how to erase unwanted stuff from your pics using Canva's AI? Click the Create button to start a new project. Set the dimensions to 300 by 300 pixels. Make sure the units are in pixels, not inches. This ensures your customized design is the correct size. Click on the Elements tab, then choose Photos. Browse through the available images and select the photo you want to use by clicking on it to add it. Set the image as your background by selecting it and choosing Set as Background. Next, click on the image again to open the editing options. From there, adjust and edit the image as needed to achieve your desired look. To remove an object from the image, use the Magic Eraser tool. Click on Magic Eraser, then select the object you want to erase. The tool will automatically remove the selected object from your image quickly and easily. Next, carefully brush this section to ensure even coverage. Focus on this area for best results before moving to the next step. Ensure everything you want selected is completely enclosed with the purple brush. Once everything is covered, proceed to the next step to continue editing. Click the Erase button to remove any unwanted elements from your project, then confirm the action to complete the erasing process. Click the Share button at the top of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Download. Choose your preferred file format, such as PNG, then click Download to save the image to your computer. You can also use the After option for additional export settings. You can now remove unwanted objects from photos using Canva AI. Lupul. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more creative tips.